Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS in 20 days. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Take a full diagnostic test to pinpoint your current proficiency and areas needing improvement. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan. Allocate specific time slots each day for focused practice on each module, ensuring a balanced approach over the next 3 weeks. Now, let's dive into mastering each module. For listening, practice with diverse accents and question types, aiming for accuracy. In reading, work on improving your speed and understanding of complex texts, focusing on identifying key information quickly. For writing, practice both Task 1 and Task 2 essays, paying close attention to structure, vocabulary, and grammar. Finally, for speaking, engage in daily conversations and record yourself to refine. Stepping inside, the differences in philosophy become clear. The Aston Martin DBX 707 showcases unparalleled luxury with its handcrafted leather, premium stitching, and bespoke finishes, creating an opulent environment. Every detail exudes sophistication and high-end craftsmanship. In contrast, the Jeep Trackhawk offers a more performance-oriented yet comfortable cabin, featuring supportive seats and a robust, user-friendly infotainment system. While still very well-appointed, its focus leans more towards functionality and a sporty aesthetic, providing a different kind of premium experience. In the final days, focus on reviewing your weakest areas and common mistakes. Practice time management strategies for each section, ensuring you can complete all tasks within the allotted time. Familiarize yourself with the exam day logistics, including the venue and required documents, to minimize any last-minute stress. Most importantly, prioritize adequate rest and maintain a positive, confident mindset. You've put in the work, and now it's time to perform your best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.